IHRT stock, is this the right time to buy? I'm going to break down and answer everything in this very short 1-minute video. Look, I'm the only person that has actually in this space that has actually done 41,000 videos in over 5 years. So I've seen what's working for me and what's not. This is where we are. This is 4-hour chart. So I was open for longs beforehand, never got rules met. Currently, even if I look at it from a higher time frame chart, I mean, it doesn't look good, honestly. Like, I'm not gonna look at something, tell you, oh, it's such a crazy bullish market. No, it's just not it, you know. I'm trying to be kind of not nice, but maybe it's only gonna be bullish if I see a break above, you know, 190. And if that's not the case, so be it. You know, I'm not gonna sit here and cry about it, even if I see a double break. Sell side it is, mate. You know, so if you do want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month trading, click the first link in the description and get my free emails. I don't know if it's gonna pop out here. The Discord, yes, it does once, but yeah, if you wanna get the free insights, click the first link below.